Video number 5. Setting up a profitable Teespring campaign from start to finish. Setting up a profitable Teespring campaign is absolutely simple. What we are going to show you in videos number 5 through 11 is creating and getting familiar with your Teespring account, searching for t-shirt ideas that sell, creating your t-shirt, setting a goal, adding a description, promoting your campaign using Facebook ads, and analyzing your results. Creating and getting familiar with your Teespring account. As a Teespring user, you are allowed to create unique campaigns, choose the type of items to sell, decide on the color of their products, add unique designs, set a price, and choose a sales goal. Before creating your t-shirts, we recommend you set up a Teespring account by signing up on the official Teespring website. Here, just remember to click on Create a New Account. To create a new Teespring account, provide a valid email address, provide a unique password longer than 6 characters, confirm your password, and create your account. A Teespring account consists of various areas. Launch a campaign. Here you'll be able to apply the easy-to-follow steps. Track your order. Teespring also offers you a way to track your order. You just need to enter your lookup number, included in your confirmation email, to check the status of your order. Campaigns. Because this is a brand new account, you'll see that everything is empty. Teespring has a really cool campaign analysis interface where you can sort your campaigns by several filtering features. Storefronts. Here you'll be able to set up your own t-shirt store with your own campaigns, which will allow your customers to browse campaigns of their choice from one place. This way, you'll be able to attract more attention from customers who may not like one of the products in your campaign. Missing such potential can be too much for business managers to bear. Storefronts can help you boost your product sales by creating a branded experience, creating one URL to guide your customers to all the campaigns, auto-launching all the ended campaigns. Messages. I think you'll be pretty shocked with this feature. In Teespring, you'll be able to send messages. Well, it might seem simple to you, but these messages are not just simple messages to other Teespring users. These messages will be sent to buyers. Yeah, Teespring messages allow you to communicate with all your previous buyers via email. You can choose to message buyers of a particular campaign or create a group of campaigns to message together. Promotions. Promotions create an awesome urgency for buyers, which will increase your sales significantly, and Teespring knows that. That's why they have decided to create a special area so you can optimize really awesome and attractive promotions for your campaigns, which is just awesome. Upsells. Promotions are awesome, but not as amazing as upsells. Upsells will bring you a lot more money for each and every front-end sale you make. Upsells are where the big money is. And the greatest thing is that you don't have to spend any extra time, money, or effort to double or even triple your income with the exact same campaign. Payouts. Of course, we can't forget about the Teespring payouts area. Here you can see the great results of your easily earned money. In my opinion, this is the coolest area of all. But of course, you have to make sales in order to not see this place blank. Settings. Here you'll be able to do 2 things. First, you'll be able to edit your profile. You'll be able to change your info, email, and password. And secondly, you'll be able to set up your conversion tracking. By default, Teespring itself has set up some pixels for Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google AdWords, which can tell you right away where your campaign will have a lot more success.